Hi everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to QA automation classes. So in the last session, we have created our first Selenium 4 program, which was creating we created a sample project, and inside the sample project we created a sample program, and in that sample program we opened the Chrome driver and then navigated to the google.com and then printed the title of the web page. Okay, so and we understood what is the relationship between the different types of the drivers and the Chromium driver, remote web driver, and the web driver interface. Okay, so today we are going to create a repository in the Git, and daily whatever the code we are designing will be going to push it into the repository, and we'll make that as a public repository so that if you want to get those code, you can go to that repository and you can download that code. Okay, so now if you see in the IntelliJ we have that program, right? The open URL is the first Selenium 4 program we have. Okay, so this is the entire project structure we have created. So first we'll go to GitHub. Okay, so this is my GitHub. Okay, and in the GitHub I'm going to create a new repository. Okay, so the repository name I'll give the same as the project name. Go to pom.xml. Let's say Selenium 4 demo. Okay, so Selenium 4 demo, and it's a public repository. Create repository. So now our public repository is ready. So now here you can see HTTPS or SSH. So we need the HTTPS link. So copy the link over here. Now let's go to the IntelliJ. Okay. So now let's go and say commit. Okay. So the first commit where this is the first commit we are doing, and what and all we are doing. So open URL. Okay. Let's say Selenium 4 demo project setup, and we'll say web driver and driver relationship demo. Okay, so we'll say commit and push. Okay, so when I say commit and push, first it will commit. After committing, it will try to push. Where it will push? It will push to the remote repository, but it is showing the remote repository is empty. So what to do? So we have to first define the remote repository, right? Empty repository it is showing. So how to define the empty repository? We have to start instead of the empty repository, we have to first define the remote. Okay, so cancel. Okay, so now it is already committed. Okay, it's committed. So now commit to master, then if we say push, okay, so it will ask me to define the remote. So you go and click on define remote. Okay, so origin. So what is the origin? So we have already copied that URL, Selenium 4 demo git. Okay, so this is the URL we copied from here. Okay, for this new project. So now I am going to put that URL and then say okay. So now our remote is defined. Okay, so 2 times it got because I added it one more time, but it's okay, fine. So now let's say push. Okay, so when I say push, so it is going to push into the remote repository, okay, to our project. So let's wait for some time and see if the push is successful. Okay, so pushed master to new branch origin / master. So now we can go and refresh this one, and we can see those commits will be here. Okay, so if you see, right, our pom.xml source test java, and here if you see we have the open url.java, right? So now every day whenever we are writing the programs for the Selenium 4, every day we are going to push the code into this repository. Okay, so this is a public repository, you guys can go and download the code from here. Okay, So that's all to this class, guys. If you guys are really enjoying these sessions, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel QA automation classes. And if you have any doubt, please put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please do share this videos with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get benefited out of it. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.